Hi friends, this is Vyman Stock YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A74 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on our phone Oppo A74. First of all, switch off our phone. For that, just long press this power button. Press and hold this power button, and from this middle white circle, swipe down. Your phone will be switched off now. Wait few seconds. You will experience one vibration. After that, you have to use power button and volume down button together. Just press these two buttons together to initiate hard reset. Press and hold these two buttons, power button and volume down button, and wait few seconds. Wait until hard reset menu appears. Yes. Now select language English and here select wipe data, first option. Now you have to enter the code shown in your screen. Here 2519 and click on format data and click on format. Click on format here, and now formatting is going on. Just you have to wait. Wiping data is going on. Just wait. And yes, successfully wiped. Click OK. Now you have to wait from few seconds to few minutes. And yes, now you have to select language. Here select language. If it is English UK, keep it in first option. Click next and accept terms of service and click on next. Click next, and if possible connect to Wi-Fi. I connect to one Wi-Fi here. Connected and checking for updates. Just a second. Checking info, and you go to give your pattern for authentication. What pattern you set previously in your phone, you should give it. Then only you can continue. Otherwise, you cannot do it. And here you go to sign in into Google account that was previously signed in your phone, and click I agree. Wait few seconds. Loading Google services. Accept. Click continue. Continue setup is asking. And click later. You can later set screen lock, fingerprint, etc. Now click on get started. Yes, your phone is ready to use. Now you can use your pattern lock, your fingerprint, your face unlock. You can set everything. So in this way you can easily hard reset or factory data reset in your phone Oppo A74. That's all.